The next cross color we're going to solve is the blue one. Notice that my edge colors, yellow and white, is also opposite each other, and red and orange. Let's give a scramble. All right, I got my blue center. Here's a blue edge that I can attach. And since white is here, I can align it with my white side. Now my red piece needs to be placed on over here to be matching with the red. What I can do is I'll turn this layer so that this piece can now come in from this side. However, I actually want it to be here on top of the red. I'm going to rotate this layer, insert that piece from the back before rotating back to have these two in line, aligned. Now, I've got one piece in the bottom layer, which is actually an easy spot, so I can just connect it with the yellow and rotate it to the top layer to have three pieces aligned. My last edge needs to come over here, so I'll turn it to this position where I can move it to 3 o'clock, move it up to the top layer, and restore my last blue edge to finish the blue cross. Let's do another example. Okay, I've already got two pieces aligned. This piece isn't aligned with the yellow, it needs to be on red. So without even looking at the red side, I can know that it has to be in the other edge. So I'll bring this position right in front of the blue edge, so I can place that one in position. I'll realign the pieces to help me orientate myself, and now I see this yellow edge needs to be placed over here. So I need to rotate this layer so that this position will become accessible to this blue edge. After I've completed that, I can rotate the blue layer again until all the pieces are aligned to solve the puzzle.